Samsung is bringing flagship vibes to the mid-range, and the Galaxy A37 and A57 are about to steal some serious spotlight. With the Galaxy S26 series now officially unveiled, Samsung is shifting its attention toward the next wave of a series smartphones. A reliable source has revealed the potential color options for the upcoming Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57, and these shades are far from random. According to Roland Quandt, both the Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57 are expected to launch in 5 different colors. For its 2026 mid-range lineup, Samsung appears to be borrowing some iconic and fan-favorite tones that originally debuted on flagship Galaxy S and Z series devices. Here are the expected Galaxy A37 colors: white, charcoal, gray, green, lavender, and navy. And here are the Galaxy A57 color options: charcoal, icy blue, gray, lilac, and navy. Samsung clearly played it smart with the Galaxy S26 series color strategy, and now it's aiming to impress once again with the Galaxy A37 and A57. Several of these shades are directly inspired by previous premium Galaxy devices. Here's how the connections line up. Gray-green on the Galaxy A37 was the standout signature shade of the Galaxy Z Fold 4 back in 2022. Icy blue on the Galaxy A57 first appeared as the hero color for the Galaxy Z Fold 5 in 2023, and was later reintroduced as a core option for the Galaxy S25 and S25 Fan Edition in 2025. Navy, available on both the A37 and A57, features a deep matte finish and was a primary color choice for the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus. Charcoal, also shared by both models, is essentially the evolution of the graphite and phantom black tones seen across the Galaxy S23 and S24 lineups. As for timing, the Galaxy S26 series is currently available for pre-orders, with its official release scheduled for March 11th. Samsung is expected to launch the Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57 by late March or early April. These mid-range models play a crucial role in driving volume sales for the company, making them extremely important in Samsung's overall strategy. What are your thoughts on these color options? Which one would you pick? Let me know in the comments section below. The official design of the Samsung Galaxy A57 has just leaked, and this mid-range phone is looking more premium than ever. Exclusive renders of the Samsung Galaxy A57 have surfaced, giving us our first clear look at the company's upcoming mid-range contender. While a few details about the phone were revealed earlier, this is the first time we're seeing official quality renders that showcase the device from both the front and the back. We have 2 images, and they reveal a black color variant of the phone. Starting with the front, the Galaxy A57 features a flat display with a centered punch-hole camera at the top. The bezels appear quite slim, which is expected in this segment. They look mostly uniform, although the bottom bezel seems slightly thicker compared to the other sides, at least based on these renders. One interesting design detail is on the right side of the frame. The area where the buttons are placed slightly protrudes outward. Samsung calls this design element the key island. This could potentially be the updated version, possibly branded as Key Island, similar to what we recently saw on the Galaxy A17. As for the physical buttons, the power or lock key is positioned just below the volume up and down buttons on the right side. These appear to be the only physical buttons on the device. The frame itself is flat, giving the phone a modern and clean look. Turning to the back, the Galaxy A57 sports a triple camera setup located in the top left corner. The 3 cameras are vertically aligned and placed within a single camera island that slightly protrudes from the back panel. An LED flash sits right next to the camera module. The back panel looks completely flat and minimal, with Samsung branding placed toward the bottom. Unfortunately, the renders do not show the top and bottom edges of the device, but there should not be any surprises there. You can expect a standard USB Type-C port, microphone cutouts, and a loudspeaker grill on the bottom side. Overall, the Galaxy A57 appears to bring a refined and premium-inspired design to the mid-range category. If Samsung pairs this look with solid specs and competitive pricing, it could easily become one of the most popular phones in its segment. What are your thoughts on the Galaxy A57's design? Let me know in the comments section below.